Hey guys, looking for a little bit of advice. My shop, I've gotten a little busier in here, and the dust collection system, I don't have one. And I'm getting real tired of vacuuming and sweeping up for an hour after I do a project. So what I was looking for is somebody who knows a little bit about dust collection that can give me some guidance. So I have the rigid belt sander, and the dust collector is in the back. I don't have a lot of room between that and the wall. I have the rigid planer. The dust collection is way down here on the opposite side, and because of the size of my shop, I kind of have to move this around to use it. The table saw is a different story. I have this old rigid that I've been using for 5 years, but I'm looking to upgrade, so that really, as for now anyway, doesn't come into play. My DeWalt compound miter saw, the port is way back here. The Porter Cable bandsaw, the dust port's way up here. So here's my planer. It's a DeWalt. From what I can put together in the shop, it's here. My Shapeoko CNC machine, that's kind of a different issue. I need to make a boot for dust collection because this thing is just like a pig. Makes a lot of dust, a lot of chips. And my router doesn't even have a dust port on it, so that's another issue altogether. But I made a couple of, I don't even know how you say it properly, charcuterie boards with Paddock. Actually, this is my leftovers. I'm going to make a cheese board out of it. Paddock, Purple Heart, walnut, and maple. And oh my God, the amount of chips and dust were just ridiculous. A couple of the things that I make, abstract kind of in the city, board and block, some whimsical things. But yeah, I was just looking for a little advice on a dust collection system that might work in here. As I said, I'm really getting tired of having to use the vacuum to clean up for an hour and then sweep the floor. It's just out of control. So if anybody has some sound advice, I'd appreciate hearing from you. And let me thank you in advance. All right, guys, enjoy your day. Today is Sunday, September 3rd. September 3rd, oh my God, 2023. Summer is like all but gone. Yeah, enjoy your Sunday, and we'll talk soon. Take care, everybody, and thanks for anyone who replies.